Johnson City's infield is shading McNaughton slightly to his pull side. Mentioned Daly, the third baseman, off the line. Trey Majette, the first baseman, playing well behind the bag and near the foul line. 2-0. Popped up to left field. Logan Dunn is camped under it. Hare looks like he's going to tag. The catch is made. Hare tags. The throw coming in is offline and well late. And Ezra McNaughton gets the Flyboys on the board here in the top of the third with a sacrifice fly. Greenville takes a 1-0 lead. But you can see the Johnson City logo. They use black and tan coloring. 1-1. Connor hits a line drive over the head of Tyler Inge. That ball is down into right center field. Fife will score from second base. Morrow going first to third. And Johnson City has tied it at 1. Mentioned the line drive that Connor hit his first time up. Was robbed that time. Was robbed the first time, I should say. But that time he comes through. Here's the 3-2. Pridgeon lines one toward right field. Johnson City will take the lead. Morrow scores. Connor going first to third. TJ Adams gets the ball in quickly to hold Pridgeon to a single. But it's an RBI base hit for Paris Pridgeon. His fifth man driven in on the season. Johnson City leads 2-1 here in the home half of the third. Here's the 3-1. Majette lines one toward right center field. Hare coming on, has to play it on a bounce. 1 run scores. Pridgeon had to make sure it was getting down, so that's all Johnson City gets. But now the third RBI single in 4 batters. Johnson City leads 3-1. Jace Patton hugging the third base line. 1-0. Daly lines one toward right center field. This ball might be trouble. That is down. That will score 2 as the throw coming in is cut off by Dylan Jackson. And it goes from bad to worse here for the Flyboys in the third inning. 2-run single from Leighton Daly, who entering this game was 0 for 17 on the season. Pitch to Jones. A chopper back to the mound. Lewis Fields goes to second for 1. Miller to first. It's a double play. Started by Braxton Lewis. Score at 1-6-3. And that ends the inning. But not before Johnson City scores 5 times. 5-1 Johnson City over Greenville. Flyboys will host the Bluefield Ridge Runners for 3 games beginning on Thursday. 1-2. Backdoor breaker. Strike 3 called to Hunter. Got him on that sweeper. Thacker's 5th strikeout of the game. And if you're Johnson City, that's exactly what you want. After a big inning at the plate, you want a quick shutdown inning from Bryson Thacker. Johnson City looking to extend its 5-1 lead. Here's the pitch. Pridgeon pops it up to the right side. TJ Adams looking for it. I don't know if he can find it. He lost it in the lights. It's over his head. This is going to clear the bases. Pridgeon is thinking about 3, and he'll stop there. It's a 2-run triple. TJ Adams had his arms up. He lost that ball in the floodlights. That looked like a routine fly out to right field. It was ultimately over the head of Adams by a few steps. But that's one of those where Adams just could not find it off the bat. Johnson City now leading 7-1. Fernando Tatis Jr., his son, was less than 4 months old at the time. 3-2 to McNaughton, hit in the air to right center field. Pridgeon ranging toward the gap, still going back. That ball is gone. He's done it again. Ezra McNaughton with his 3rd homer in 3 games here in Johnson City. It's his league-leading 8th home run of the season. The Flyboys get one back. It's now 8-3. That's what he does. McNaughton finally gets one to his pull side. His first 2 had both been opposite field homers here at TVA Credit Union Ballpark. But it's another day that ends in Y, which means Ezra McNaughton hit a home run. And that one I'm sure is a little special because his family is in attendance here tonight. I got a chance to talk to his dad a little bit before the game. Johnson City jumping all over Greenville. They scored 5 in the 3rd inning. That's really the crooked number. Dunn lines one to right field. That's going to be trouble. Jones will go first to third. This ball is cut off just shy of the wall by Adams. Heading to second. The throw there. He's out. Great job by the Flyboys of getting that ball back in. Dunn thought about stretching it into a double. But a good relay started by TJ Adams in right field. Erases him. Scored that a single, 9-4-6 on the putout. The Flyboys still with a lot of work to do, though. As we go to inning number 8, Greenville trailing 9-3 on the Flyboys. Howell set, the 2-0. Miller, a sharp ground ball through the right side for a base hit. Thompson trots home, Francisco sprinting right behind him, and the Flyboys inch a little closer. It's 9-5 here in the top of the 8th. as Peyton Miller picks up a 2-run single. Howell fires. Inge chops one to the left side. The third baseman, Daly, misses it. That ball gets through into left field. Coming home is Grant Hunter. There's no play. That was kind of a tweener in between third base and short. Leighton Daly, the third baseman, couldn't cut it off. It ricocheted off his glove. The shortstop, Logan Fife, coming over to back it up. With the ball deflecting off the glove of Daly, Fife couldn't change direction in time, so that ball got through into left field. And now, for the Flyboys, as Hunter scores, it's 9-6. Inge reaching on what will probably be scored in E5, I would assume. And that'll be all for Griffin Howell. So Johnson City will go back to its bullpen. So Folk, the lefty, on out of Austin P, not too far from here. So a couple more experienced guys facing each other here. McNaughton, also an elder statesman as far as the Appy League is concerned. He was born in mid-03 as well. Going to him in the biggest spot of the night. Inge at first, Miller at second. McNaughton represents the tying run. And the 1-2. Swing and a miss, strike 3. Got him on the fastball. Flyboys get 3 back, leave 2 more on the board. Great job by Cade Folk coming out of the bullpen and retiring Ezra McNaughton. 2-2. Connor hits a sharp ground ball to first. Fielded on a hop by Jackson. Throw to second. The tag. He's out. Jackson tapped the base with his mitt. It's a 3-6 double play. And the inning is over. It's not a double play you see very often. Jackson went to his knee to field that one. Tapped first base with his mitt. And then made an accurate throw to second where Peyton Miller tagged out Connor. Tagged out Morrow, I should say, to end the inning. Thompson not being held on at first. He runs. The 0-1 hit in the air to left center field. This ball will stay in the park. Pridgeon coming over, makes the catch, and that's the game. Flyboys fall in this one, 9-6 your final. As Johnson City improves to 10-12 on the season. They are now 4-8 at home. Greenville dropping to 14-7.